we're back.
Okay, so now that the milk is steaming, we whisk together 4 egg yolks and half a cup of sugar until it was nice and smooth. And now we added a 1/3 cup of flour, and it looks like this. So we're just gonna add some of the steaming milk slowly.
Yeah, we're gonna temper it with milk, right? So while I'm pouring, you're whisking, okay?
Whisk.
You don't want the eggs to cook.
Oh. It's
Why not?
nice and thick.
Because the eggs cooking will ruin make it scrambled eggs inside the custard. So,
That's what she said.
Are we not making scrambled eggs?
no. We don't want scrambled eggs. We want it to thicken and be a custard.
Have you ever made this before?
No, we have not.
I mean, you in your entire life.
Not like this. No, not by.
Oh, it
I mean, I
smells
make
delicious.
this. I make this custard Granny made, but it's a can of mix. We're doing the whole thing right now.
Okay, so now that it's all in there, we're gonna cover it with a plastic wrap and put it in the fridge until it sets.
She
Right?
didn't remember that. My mom just told her.
The recipe is literally right in front of her.
Are we good?